Hello everybody and welcome back to what clearly is not the Chateau. It is Lyon, and we're on a bit of a mission which is really important for the Convent.
Ça va, Yanis?
Perfect.
Are you enjoying your holiday?
Yes.
Yeah?
Good.
So we've been to Lyon, everyone. And now, where are we going, Phil? Home. We're on our way home, but we've got something very special on the back of this truck. So we're going to stop in a bit and we're going to check the straps to make sure they're still strapped down, nice and safe, because we've still got about 4 hours of driving left. Yanis got very drunk last night, didn't you, Yanis? Tu bois beaucoup.
Oh, yes.
We won't show any of the clips from that because, Yanis won't like people seeing that, but yeah, it was good fun.
Yeah.
Plus, if he knows what we've got, I can't blackmail him later.
All right, we'll see you in a bit, everyone.
Hello everybody, we have taken a decent little rest at one of the many beautiful rest stops on the motorways in France, which for some reason is all I ever get to see on my travels, along with McDonald's, I think. So what did Billy, myself and Yanis come all the way to Lyon to pick up, which is so important for the Convent? What did we get?
So, for the library project at the convent, we need to move the I-beams or the RSJs or steel beams, and the only correct way of doing it, obviously without heavy machinery, is to use these lifts. So these are made by Genie, and Genie super lifts. I think they are the SLC 18 model. Oh, here comes a lorry.
Well, we are at the side of a motorway, so yeah.
And they were for sale online, €1,000 each, and they retail new for 7,000. Obviously they're not brand new, but they're in really, really good condition. They've hardly been used, so I couldn't turn up that sort of bargain. So hence why we drove 1,700 kilometres or whatever it was, 1,500 kilometres to come and get them.
And watch Janice get drunk and fall asleep.
We all had a good time in Lyon.
Yes.
We had a really nice hotel, we had a really nice meal, and we had a few drinks, maybe more than we should have done.
Well, it was a late start today.
But it didn't stop us doing the main objective, did it?
It did not. So, long story short, I think, basically there's bits that attach, that goes there, there's winches and it's all hand, but
So these
up
can
and
lift,
down.
up to 5 meters 60, and they have a capacity of 300 or 295 kilograms each.
And so, yes, this is all for the library, and because you've got to take some of the big metal beams out of you to make the gallery.
Yeah.
And that's then also going to, so I said I'd help weld things for that, didn't I?
Yeah, you are. Yeah.
And now I've just helped to make sure that actually has to happen sooner than. So I've done work to add more work to my workload.
Yeah, but it's fine. It's a bit of welding, isn't it?
It's a bit of
You've got to do a
welding.
bit of welding, but it's going to be worth it in the end, I think.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay. Well, the library project is cracking on. Are you feeling better, Yanis?
Yes.
It doesn't. It doesn't.
Doesn't. He is lying. Are you lying to the viewers, Yanis?
Sorry?
Are you lying to the viewers?
Are you fatigued?
Little bit, yeah.
Right. Well.
What we've got to do now is continue driving for the next 3 hours or whatever it is, 4 hours.
Yeah.
And hopefully we don't break down.
Why would you even say that? Right, let's go. Come on.
Come on, Phil, let's go. You ready, Yanis?
Always.
Oh, steering wheel's on the wrong side of the road, right side of the road. Right. Okay. 342 more kilometres to go.
Merge onto A71.
Okay, I shall. Eventually.
For about 41 kilometres,
shush
continue
now.
straight on.
You've got an admirer, Phil.
Well, she sounds quite hot. Right, everybody, back to the chateau, and it's a bit grey and gloomy. The wind's picking up, but it's still beautiful to be back because I'm not hearing city sounds and motorway sounds. All I can hear is nature, and that's a wonderful thing. Massive long trip. It's very, very important for the convent because that is something that's really, really needed for the next stage of that library project. And I can't wait to see those set up working tomorrow and get somewhere, because there's things that I've been tasked to help with on that library project as well. So I'm really looking forward to seeing that coming together. It's always a great idea, apart from the fact it's fun, but when you're doing a long road trip like that, being able to share the driving, have people there if there is any issues, and there's a fair few road trips that we've all done and there's been issues, tyres, you never know what happens. And you know what, it's always just nice to have a little trip, and a little trip away, because it might be a lot sunnier in Lyon down the south, but it's nice to see something completely different and then realise just how wonderful your home actually is. Plus, Billy owes me another favour, and then so tomorrow I can hopefully I'll borrow the transit and do a quick couple of tasks here, which are very, very important in the part of the tidying up and making everything look fantastic out the front. So thank you all so much for watching. I'll see you next time. Bye for now.